If I ask you the reason why you snore, do you know the reason? Snoring is caused by an obstruction of the upper airways. This blockage can be due to a couple of reasons, but in most cases, it is because the muscles of the throat are over-relaxed, which cause them to rest over the passageway that air is supposed to flow in and out through. Stop snoring exercise program. You can use a stop snoring exercise program to strengthen the muscles of your throat so that they are firmer. This will reduce the chances of these muscles falling back on the airways to cause blockage whenever you sleep. One exercising method works like magic. First, take 15 minutes to do basic exercise like jogging, running, skipping and whatever gets your heart beating faster. After that, open your mouth wide and sing out la 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 la. This will sharpen and strengthen the muscles of your throat. After each la, hold your breath over the syllable for about 3 seconds before going to the next one. You should be able to sing the 9 las with one breath. Then move on to the next syllable, the ka syllable. Sing ka just like you sang the la. Then move on to ba and to ma. By the time you get to ma, you should have used about 15 minutes on this exercise. This might be stupid, but it will help a great deal to strengthen the muscles of your throat. Even when they relax, they will not relax completely to prevent passageway of air through your throat when you sleep. If you can clear your airway blockage, you can stop your snoring problem. Get your free report on how to clear your airway blockage by clicking on the link in the description column.